This is really quite a simple effect, but it's nice because it gives you the stereo simulation. It just delays one of the channels, and it sometimes is nice for a narration for certain types of videos. So let's try this. I am testing this to show you what it sounds like to use stereo delay simulation. Now one thing you can do is this. You just move it. You have to be so subtle. It's just a little bit. I am testing this to show you what it sounds like to use stereo delay simulation. In all honesty, to me, sometimes it sounds more like a robot. So what you can do instead is go like this and use a special effect, preset, and typically it sounds a little bit less robotic. I am testing this to show you what it sounds like to use stereo delay simulation. Now just for fun, we're going to paste this multiple times without the effect to show you what happens if you just do it multiple times. Okay. Here. I am testing this to show you what... I can even move it another 2 notches. Here. I am testing this to show you what it sounds like to use stereo delay simulation. And that's just another way to make it sound like a robot too, actually. That's just a little fun bonus there for you.